Mel Fell by CoreyRTabor. One day, when Mama was away, Mel decided it was time to learn to fly. She had been in the nest long enough. "Aren't you scared?" asked her sister, Pim. "Yes," said Mel, "but I won't let that stop me." She looked down. "It sure is a long drop," said her brother Pip. "Well," said Mel, "I've got wings." Mel was scared, and it was a long drop, but today was the day she would fly. "See you soon," she told her siblings. She jumped, she flipped, and spread her wings. Mel fell and fell. The squirrels tried to catch her. They really did. They had grown quite fond of those squeaky little chirpers upstairs. "Blast! Nuts!" "Oof! Aye!" But it was no use. They missed her by a whisker. "Zeezel, zee-zoo," said the bees, but they barely slowed her down. "We will save you." "I'm free," says the little fly. Even the little spider lent a hand, 8 of them. But still Mel fell. "Do not fear, helpless little birds, I will catch you." She fell and fell. "Oh no!" Splash! Mel dived into the water. She snapped her beak and caught a fat little fish. She kicked her legs, she wiggled her tail feathers, she spread her wings, and then she flew. Mel flew and flew. As Mel flew by, the spider clapped her hands, all 8 of them. Clap, 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 yay! The bees said, "Huzzah, huzzah!" The squirrels raced her to the top. Mama was waiting when she got there. I flew," said Mel. "I knew you could," said Mama. "I knew I could too," said Mel.